Alright, good day everyone. Today we are going to continue with our classes on Igbo. For those of you who want to learn some certain things in Igbo, about Igbo people and Igbo language, Igbo culture, how to speak and write Igbo. So we are going to do a lot now. So today we are going to be looking at Nkandi Igbo. That is Igbo works of art. Igbo works of art. One thing you should know that Igbo people are so resourceful and resilient. Resourceful and resilient. That is why all over the world you must see an Igbo human being living there in any part of the world. Don't be surprised. Me, I have traveled. Some places that I've gone, I was surprised. I saw my people there. So I was asking them, how did they? So that is life. Igbo man or Igbo person love to travel, love to explore, seeing new things and doing great things in life. Love development. So I want to look at the Igbo works of art. In Igbo land, people of a particular area are known for their works of art. That their works of art is their business. Yes, some are known for cloth weaving, that is ikwa, pottery, ikpo oro, smitry, ikpo ozo, wood carving, itu osisi, basket weaving, ikpa ekete, and rope making, ikpa, iga, and so many of them. Okay, let's look at the ikwa, that is cloth weaving. You can see it's just a picture of a man or a woman doing cloth weaving. You know, cloth weaving is the act of using thread to make cloth, which is wrapper or wrapper. The people known for cloth weaving in Igbo land are Akwete. These are people who are known for cloth weaving. Akwete people, Ndoki and Asa in Abia State. These people are known for cloth weaving. You can do an internet search about them then, in case you have interest in cloth weaving. You get more information. Then the next one is Igbo Oro. That's pottery. Pottery is the act of using clay. That is oro. We'll call clay in Igbo oro to produce products like cup. That is iko. Cup means iko in Igbo. Pot means ite. Plate means efere. Water pot means ite mmiri. Water is mmiri, while pot is ite. In Igbo land, the people that are known for pottery works are Lopanta in Abia State, Oha Ozara in Ebonyi State, and the Amuro in Okigwe, which is Imo State, and so many of them. And the next one is Igbo Ozo, which is smitry. The people known for Igbo Ozo in Igbo land are Oka in Anambra State, Nkwere in Imo State, and Abala in Abia State. Things they produce include ngaji. They use Igbo, which is smitry, to produce ngaji, which is spoon, mma ekwu, which is kitchen knife, ite igwe, which is iron pot, and so on and so forth. You can see them there. And you see that picture where they are doing it, manufacturing it. So Igbo people are so resilient. They mean business. The next one is Itu Osisi, that is wood carving. The people known for wood carving in Igbo land are mainly the Onitsha, Ngwa, and the Arochukwu people of Abia State. Their products include Ocha, which is flute, Ikwe, which is mortar, Ekwe, which is wooden drum, Udu, which is pastel, and so on and so forth. Ipa ekete, which is basket weaving. Basket weaving is known by almost all the areas in Igbo land. Therefore, we cannot say that it is an act work that is done by this village or the other alone. So this one is done by almost every area in Igbo. Next one is Ipa or Iga ete. That is rope making. We do this one as well, rope making. Alright. So Igbo people are an industrious kind of human being. So if you are not an Igbo, you can learn from our industriosity, our industrious nature, and it will be a great help. As I wherever you go and you see an Igbo man, what he is thinking of is what? How to develop that environment. Alright, so thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and go to the playlist. You see so many other videos and so many other topics that will help you. Thank you. Subscribe, share the video, comment. If you have any question, you can comment. And alright, okay. Thank you very much. See you in our next class.